Have you been in Victory Park, Armenia before and you wanted to go to October Revolution 50th Anniversary Memorial? And when you search Google, it will show like this. Here it's showing like 52 to 59 minutes, but actually you can just go there via maybe a few minutes. So from the Mother Armenia Monument, you just need to follow this way, go straight, and at the end of this way, you will end up in this part. So if you see this way going down, it's like an underpass. You just need to walk through that way and you will exit here, and then you need to walk straight, and here, boom, you're here in October Revolution 50th Anniversary Memorial in just a few minutes, instead of going this 51 or 59 minutes. So that's all. Thank you.
Akala namin walang daan papunta doon. Ang galing ng nag-i-instruct. Ganun daw. Sabi niya ganun. Ano daw? Ano ba yun? Underpass.
Underpass ng Manila.
Underpass. Ano? Tapos eto, ayan. Pakyat. Ngayon, galing tayo dun, oh. Tapos may daanan dyan pababa.